Curb appeal, baby. That's something you've got to have if you're asking some buyer to show me the money when it's time to sell your house. I've got 7 landscaping tips to help maximize your curb appeal when we come back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. And right here on YouTube, every single Thursday, I'm right here answering your real estate questions. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way I'll let you know when I've got my next video uploaded. Tip number 1 is think of your front yard as a canvas. If you stand back and you see one color, as in brown dirt, you got to do something about that. Ideally, you're going to have lots of color. We're going to come up with some of those ideas next. Tip number 2 is, yeah, you guessed it, color. It's got to pop if you want them to stop. When that buyer is with their agent driving by, you want to make sure that they can't wait to get in the front door as soon as they see the front of your house. If it doesn't look good, chances are they'll just drive right on by. Tip number 3 is you've got to have depth and edges. In other words, you don't want the grass growing over onto the sidewalk. You want to see those delineated lines between the sidewalk, the pathways, and the front door. Tip number 4 is we want to highlight the paths with lighting. So if you've got a walkway going from the curb up to your front door, pick some really nice lighting, some LED lighting to make that path illuminated at night. It really makes a big difference, and you'd be surprised how many buyers look at your house in the daytime and then intentionally come back by the evening to see how the neighborhood looks and to see how your house looks in the evening. If you've got highlighted pathways and good lighting in your front yard, it's really going to make a big difference. Tip number 5 is be unconventional. Pick things that are going to make your house stand out. Work with the local nursery to pick plants and trees that are going to really make your house stand out from the crowd. Tip number 6 is prune and cut. Make sure that you don't have tree limbs that are hanging down, blocking the view of your house. And my final tip, tip number 7, is restore the luster to your house. If you've got hardscaping that has dirt caught in it, if you've got a brick pathway, if the front of your house is a little bit dirty, go rent a power washer if you don't own one. Wash that off. Having a clean entrance, a clean house from the curb really is going to impact the way that that buyer feels emotionally. And again, it's going to be one of those things that just draws them to the inside. They can't wait to get to the inside of your house. If you've done those 7 things, they're going to be drooling. Hey, don't go yet. I've got something for you. Down below, I've got a home buyer checklist. You can click on that, download it, no cost to you. Use that. When you go through your home buying process, it'll help you keep on track. It'll help you see what's coming next. If you have any other questions about real estate, post your questions below. I'll make sure to get to them. Thanks for watching this video this week. See ya.